Hello internet. I don't know if you guys might have seen the other video I made of our waterfall that we got quite near my house where I live in New Zealand. It's a warmer day than it was when I took the other video, so I'm going to actually show you some of the spots where we jumped from. I wish I had a waterproof camera actually, because it would be quite cool to be able to jump and sort of video as I go down. There's some dogs here, but I don't, so I'm just going to try and figure out, prop it up on a rock down the bottom or something. But yeah. So this is the top spot that we sort of jumped from up here. So there, I don't know how you can get an idea of how far down that it is, but it is quite a way down. But you'll see that when I jump. Yeah, I think that'll have to do. I wish I had a tripod actually, but I've broken mine, so I just sort of rested this on a rock. I don't know how I'm going to do this. I might have to cut some of this out or something, but I'm actually going to go shoot up. I'll swim across and then go up and do the top spot, and then I'll climb up again and show you where you can actually walk across the face of the waterfall. So hopefully it doesn't take too long.